Hey, and welcome back to the second hour of our show. You know, in Phoenix, Arizona, the big craze and the huge controversy is the serving of lion burgers. There's a restaurant out there. It's called El Venado Restaurant, owned by Cameron Salogi. It's in Mesa, Arizona, right out of Phoenix. They serve lion burger out there, and it's not illegal to serve lion meat, and it's really got a lot of controversy going out there. Some animal groups say you shouldn't be killing lions to serve as meat. Others say it's kind of tasty, and they like the lion meat. Apparently, when they served it last week, there were lots of people waiting in line. I think there were 100 people in line, I heard, to get the lion burger. I'm not too offended. Now, give me a little slack here, folks. You know, I live in Louisiana. And down in Louisiana, we eat about anything down here. I was from the little town of Faraday, which is up in northeast Louisiana, across from the town of Natchez, Mississippi, that some of you around the country may know as a point. 3 hours drive from New Orleans, right up the Mississippi River, live right on the Mississippi River. And you know, I was a country lawyer, and people who couldn't pay me a fee would bring me catfish, frogs, coons. Coons are, you know how you cook a coon? Governor Jimmy Davis, if you don't know who Governor Jimmy Davis is, that if you're living around the rest of the country, You Are My Sunshine, one of the best known songs in the world, was written by our Governor Jimmy Davis. And Governor Davis used to come by my office a lot. He had a ranch just above where I lived, a big farm, and up in Newellton, Louisiana. And Governor Davis would come up to his farm and stop by for coffee, because my office was about halfway between the state capitol and his farm. And I asked him one time about coon. He said he loved to eat coon. I said, Governor, how do you cook that coon? He says, well, Jim, you boil it for about 12 hours. Boil it heavily in water for 12 hours. Then cut it in little bitty slices, and then you fry it. And that's how you eat coon. So, like I say, we eat about anything down here. I'm not that stunned by lion burgers, obviously deer meat, and so many other outdoor game. Great story. A few weeks ago, I was giving a speech over around Lafayette, Louisiana, south of Lafayette, little town called Jeanerette. So I was coming home. There was a country store on the side of the road, and I decided to stop off to get something cold to drink. Well, there was a guy up on the front porch, and he was obviously cooking a gumbo. You could see him stirring it and cook it. And I said, what you got there? He says, oh, Brother Brown, I got me a gumbo. I said, what kind of gumbo is it? He says, I'm making me a hawk gumbo. I kind of rolled my eyes. Says, now, a hawk gumbo, is that legal? I just didn't know. But again, we eat anything down in South Louisiana. I said, well, what's a hawk gumbo taste like? He said, oh, about like an owl gumbo. Oh, well, then I knew what he was talking about. You know, an owl gumbo, a hawk gumbo. So in any event, I'm not real offended by the lion meat. I certainly am an animal rights enthusiast, like a lot of us are, in terms of any endangered species. And that's one of the big problems we have down the Gulf right now, is the possibility that some marine life will become extinct. There are some rarities to the Gulf, and all this oil spill down here might really tamper with the environment. We may lose certain species of animals, as you do throughout the world when you have these ecological disasters. But lion meat is legal in the U.S. The article here I'm reading, it says, in South Africa, lion meat is shunned. Animal welfare activists express shock at the burger served in Phoenix. And one of the journalists over there says that the eating of lion meat is a bizarre craze practiced by those who want to try it because it is not illegal. It's strange but legal. If something is legal, nothing is stopping people from doing it. It's more about peculiarity, is what this guy says. And he says lions in Africa are hunted for trophies. But again, if it's not bizarre, not illegal, then we might as well try it. Like I say, down where I'm from, we eat about nutria. If you ever eat nutria, it tastes like a tough chicken. Alligator. I've gone alligator hunting over the years with my son. Alligator, again, if you marinate it right, it tastes like chicken. And so there's a lot of variety. By the way, I've got a cookbook. If you want to read the cookbook is called Jim Brown's World Famous Squirrel Stew and Other Country Recipes. I'll put it up on my website. You can take a look if you want the book. I've got a new edition coming out. So if you think you've got some bizarre things you eat, give it a try about where we live down in the Bayou State, the deepest of the deep southern states, where in these marshes we eat about anything. We'll come right back. Jim Brown here. If you want to see about my cookbook, go to my website, JimBrownUSA.com. We'll be right back right after this message.